So in this video, I'll be showing you how to attach the Joy-Cons to your Nintendo Switch 2. So attaching the Joy-Cons is fairly simple. All you need to do is ensure that the colors are correct on both sides of the console, so that orange is correct on this side and blue is correct on the other side. Once you've aligned the correct Joy-Cons with the correct sides of the console, the next step when it comes to attaching them is to simply align them with the pin. So there's this space here that you can see on the Joy-Con. That's where these pins are supposed to enter. So just go ahead and align them, and then it will use magnets to click itself into place. So you should hear a click sound signaling that they've been connected properly. So that means that the Joy-Con on the left hand side is connected properly. So I can go ahead and do the same thing on my right hand side. And now my Joy-Cons have been properly attached to my Nintendo Switch 2 console. And so that's how you can connect them whenever you wish to use the Joy-Cons with your console. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.